Hiccupotamus by Zenz. Hic, hic. There was a hippopotamus who hiccuped quite a lot of miss, and every time he got a miss, he'd fall upon his bottomus. One day he saw an elephant with cakes of green and yellow fent. He tried to tell her, "Hello, Fent," but it didn't go so well, Fent. She chased him toward a centipede, pouring new cementipede. He hit by accidentipede and tripped the elephantipede. They ran near a rhinoceros with minty dental flosserus. His string went all crisscrosserous. And that was the last strawcerus. They tried to find a therapy, some cure which they could sharapy, a what or why or wherapy to stop the long nightmarepy. So they wrapped him round with licorice and spun him very quickerish. They secured him to a buffalo and made him huff and puffalo. They acquired an aquarium and flashed him something scarium. They poured him tubs of vinegar and tickled his chinny chiniger. And then at last a miracle. His hiccups so severical just didn't reappearical. He grinned from ear to ear ago until hic, hic, hic. And you guessed it, they reappeared. I hope you enjoyed this funny book. Thank you for listening. Bye.